Welcome everyone. So today we're going to talk about labels of picture graphs. We talked about titles before, now we're going to talk about the labels related to the picture graphs. And I'm going to show you a few examples of what those labels are and how important they are in your picture graph when you go to create one and to use it to help you know what's happening or what information that graph's going to share with you. So again, we're going to look at this example of our picture graph that's on your infographic, and down here it says label, and you can see this is labeled purple, red, green, blue, yellow, and those are the labels for each of the sections of our picture graph. And remember, we know that those colors are related to what is our favorite color, and we know that because of the title. So purple, red, green, blue, yellow are the labels that tell us what the pictures in our graph mean. Okay, so that's one example of labels, the colors that are in our favorite colored graph. Here's another example of some labels. This one is subject in math, reading, social studies. So math, reading, and social studies are the different subjects. Those are the labels that tell us what the pencils mean, how many pencils is equal to math, how many is equal to reading, how many is equal to social studies, and that is, the title tells us which means that the favorite subjects there are. So math has so many pencils, and that is the labels that tell us what those pencils represent. Another example would be favorite fruit is the title of this picture graph, and instead of words this time, they gave an example by using pictures. So you might think of that. And here it says fruit as a label, and then you see a picture of an apple, a pear, grapes, and bananas. So you might also use pictures as your labels, but you can tell that these picture labels are different than the pictures they actually put into their graph. And we're going to talk about that as well in the next video. So labels are really important in helping you understand what the pictures are going to mean in your graph. Make sure you think about that when you're reading and looking at different types of graphs.